Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to overlay photos on video in Capcut. So here I have a video project in Capcut, and to add overlay of photos on it, I will click on this little plus over here and then choose the photos to be overlay on the video. I'm going to select the photo first. So I think I'm going to select 2 photos from my gallery for this project to overlay on the video. So I'm going to choose. I'm sorry that this is taking too long, guys. So I recommend you to prepare the photo first before you edit the CapCut, so it's not going to be much of a hassle to select. So I'm going to select this one and then just click on add over here. And then the photos are added to your project. First, you have to click on the photo like this and then choose overlay on the editing option. Alright, so click on the photo and choose overlay. Click on the photo and then choose overlay. I'm going to scroll a little bit. So here it is. Click on the overlay. And then the photo will be added to the second layer of your project, and do the same to the second photo here, and it will be on the third layer of your project. And here I'm going to drag the first photo and resize the photo on my preview screen like this. So over here you can just resize the photo and then relocate the photo as how you desire it to be, and do the same to the second photo. So I will adjust the length or the duration, and then set the size of the photo and set the location of the second photo, and the result will be like this. I'm going to show the preview to you. Okay, so I will preview it first. And the result will be looking like this. So that's how you overlay photos on video in CapCut, guys. It's so easy and you can just follow the tutorials from this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in other tutorials from this video. Bye!